What's up, you guys? It's Mopi. Today I'm here with Mitchell, James, and Jesse. What we're doing today is some Roomba fighting. I know you guys love the Roomba fighting, so we're playing that, but a little bit of a change up. If you lose your 1v1 in the Roomba fighting, we got a little bit of dare to play action here. We're gonna make teams and rounds. You guys will see how it goes. Let's get started though. For these games, it's gonna be 2 knives and 2 balloons, where usually it's 3. We're gonna be doing 2. What kind of knives you got? You got the same kind? A little bit of a risky tactic, putting the balloons on the side. Both of them, we'll see how it goes. All right, first round, Mitch and I going up against each other. Also, you guys have to place bets. If you get it right, you don't have to take a card. If you get it wrong, you have to take one.
I bet on Mitch.
I bet on Tyler. Let's go, Tyler. Let's
3,
go. Let's go.
2,
Let's get it, man.
come on,
Let's
Mitchell.
get it. Let's get it.
1, fight! Hey! Come on! Ooh. Oh, I should use one.
Tyler, your knife already fell off!
No, it's fine. It's fine.
How is he not popping?
Yeah, Tyler should be popped.
Popping! Oh, no! One more! Rip it off!
I'm done
Rip
for.
it off!
It's cutting him. It's cutting him.
Oh! I told you I was scared!
You're right,
I
you're
told
right.
you! I didn't trust They fell at the same time.
That was the same time.
They
I'd
fell
say. Oh,
at the same time, bro.
I'm still
Alright.
double connected.
I'm
But
gonna
they
say
fell off.
James
Fell off.
completely
Hey,
called
his
that.
balloon
That was
came
not
off.
safe. We're gonna separate the table from the wall so we can have some more running room. We're gonna run it back though. That was a tie. They fell at the same time.
Yeah, they
Or
fell
play
at the
back.
same
Let's
time.
see a replay. Let's see a replay.
Take his knife off.
Why did
Come
why
on,
did you
bro.
turn like that?
Your thing has been stabbed like 10 times now.
Yes. Come on. Make a move.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, that's
Take it
bad.
out.
That's so
Rip it
bad.
off!
That's
Rip it off!
He's oh my god. Wait, does
Mopi, you got it.
Oh!
That's
it.
Yes! Let's go! What do you like? What? The black ones that to it. Post an IG story of you doing the whoa dance. Let's go.
Black. Exchange a clothing item with the player to your right.
In 3, 2, 1.
You know what I'm saying? Post.
All right, some
All
warm
right,
up.
let me play James, bro.
James and Jesse, start your building. 2 knives, 2 balloons. Go.
Alright, I'm gonna try an experimental design.
I think I'm gonna hit his.
3, 2, 1, fight for science.
His are like mad in the air.
Yeah, we'll see.
Oh no!
It's not the turn I want to
Yeah,
make.
No,
Like
that's an
thinking
even
about
worse turn.
It's not the
Wait,
turn.
what'd you bet on,
One more
Mitchell?
turn.
He bet on me.
Who'd you bet on, Tyler?
You. Turn. One more turn. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, no, no.
Oh,
no.
good turn.
No.
I can't watch. I can't hit it. I literally can't hit it. What is this?
Come on.
Come on, turn the right way. Turn the right.
Oh.
Turn the right way. Turn the right way. Come on, boy.
Hey,
Yes.
back up, back
Yes.
up.
Yes. Yes.
Come on.
Oh my god, terrible.
About to turn, about to turn.
Another turn. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Right there.
Oh my God.
Nothing.
Nothing. Come on.
Okay. The balloons are a little too high, I think, is why it's having some trouble. Wait, maybe right now though. Really?
Woo. Dude, this is giving me so much stress.
Oh, rip it. Yeah!
Oh, fuck!
One more.
one too.
Come here.
What are you doing?
What?
Good dog, good dog.
It went under
No,
it.
it didn't move the opposite direction. Oh my god. Yes!
Oh,
Bro.
GG.
Bro, how?
GG.
No.
Oh, it went.
That went under it.
needed that.
Over there. One more turn.
Tap.
Yes.
Oh my god, this
Bro,
guy
get
is so
him!
bad.
Dude, mine is bad. It easily could have killed him there. Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
Mine purposely.
Let's go. Game winner.
Mine was Bro, I'm hitting it.
Oh, someone's going over.
Ah! He's going over! Ah! Oh!
Hope it's not a black one.
Okay.
Let someone wax strip your
Oh my
leg.
god, I gotta lick my toe.
Have
I'm gonna
that
just
thing.
lick my toe really quick.
Why are you?
Good stuff.
Okay.
Good stuff. What hair do we want to take? Those hairs?
I don't know.
I don't think it's gonna do too much damage. This is some weak duct tape.
All right, you know what we're gonna do?
You're foul.
We're gonna come back to this in 10 minutes.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with this robot. Whose is this? Tyler.
This one's mine.
And I got Jesse.
Let's go. I'm winning. It's gonna turn.
Dude.
You just did like a 360.
You did a full.
Yeah, they were doing tricks.
Bro, come on, dude.
Yes. Nah.
Dude, what is going on with your robot, Tyler?
Dude, my robot's like afraid to go to the other.
Ah!
Come on! That's a KO!
Oh, we got one!
Wait.
Oh, deflated, boy!
Come on!
Deflated!
How did we not get
Oh,
killed
someone
there?
might go over.
Oh, look at that!
Come on, literally stabbed you.
Bro, I literally deflated him. Let's go!
Oh,
That's fine. That's fine.
He shanked him.
Come on.
Bro, this
There
is
it
a
is,
god
there it is.
design. I have a god design. Push him over the edge.
Pop it again.
Oh!
No, don't go over. Don't go over.
Push it. Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Who wants to step up to the plate?
Whoa. I want to play the winner, bro. I don't want to play jump.
Oh. All right.
I usually lose.
Wait.
Oh, you gotta.
I didn't know that. Okay. Get slapped in the face by everyone playing. Ah!
I got allow someone to tickle you for 30 seconds.
I'll start.
I'm just not gonna look.
Oh.
Go.
This is so Stop
running! You have to allow it! Allow it! Allow it! You're not allowing it there! Allow it! Allow it! Open those
Get him!
Allow it!
You got 10 seconds!
Allow it!
15
Allow
seconds!
it!
15
You're
seconds!
not allowing it!
20 seconds! 20 seconds! 10 seconds! 10 seconds!
Alright.
Bro, that was weird.
No 360s, please.
No, good turn!
Come on! Come on, turn!
Take that off. Take what off?
Oh no. Oh, he does have a little shield. I guess we'll allow it though. Come on.
No!
Ah,
No!
turn.
Yes!
Why is it coming after me?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Come on.
Yes! Don't do me like this, Santa.
Yeah.
Come on!
Oh!
Good
Staying alive,
dodging.
staying alive.
Wait, he's giving juju.
Well, why are
to
you
his
spinning
robot.
the other way now? Spin the right. There we go.
Power.
Push him off.
Kill.
Yes.
Oh.
Dude! Nope!
No.
What?
He's going over. He is.
Yeah!
No.
Yeah! Yeah!
You gotta lose.
Easy dub. Get out of our ring. What do we got here? Oh, I think 3 cards, sir. There you go. What'd you get?
Alright, so I got 20 push-ups, cold shower for 30 seconds, and cut a piece of your hair.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh my god!
That boy's smooth.
Yo!
I'd give that a 9 out of 10 for
Bro,
this wax strip.
this dude just wanted to feel my calf muscle.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, I didn't do anything.
Five.
This is my first
Get
one.
down, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Faster, soldier! 12, 12,
Bro, how many cigarettes do you smoking a day?
12, 3, 3, you're at 3, 4, keep going,
Ah!
8.
Woo!
Hey, what's up,
Little
babe?
bit, okay. I'll get a good amount, but you can't really tell.
Yeah.
What is that? How are you gonna get a good amount but not be able
Trust
to tell?
me.
Alright.
That's clean.
That boy fresh.
Good shit.
Oh my god, he has a bald spot.
Wow.
That's cap. That's cap. No way. My hair.
Ew. Ah! You took such a big bite.
You
I'm not
chunked it.
sharing that much.
My leg is
He got it. He got some. All right, for the final round, this is for first and second place. Mitchell versus James. What's the bets, you guys? What's going on?
Mitchell and I are standard betters.
But
One
a
bet.
standard bet on Mitchell.
It evades. Damn,
Dude, you just gotta push it off the table, bro.
Oh, those things you take that out of the way.
Oh, that should have been a kill.
Turn around, bro.
Come on, come on.
Turn around. Just roll that one turn.
Did I even see who I was betting on?
Yeah, you're on James.
Okay, we can see.
Dude, it keeps turning the way it just turns, so it won't ever turn.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
There we go.
Crazy mode. Okay. Prize. No.
Did it?
No.
What?
No.
Bad turn.
Yeah!
Go!
That's fine. Come
What are
on.
you doing?
Turn. Oh god.
Oh no.
So one more turn. Not that one.
Push him off the edge.
No, he's
That's the best win. Oh, oh.
Come on. Pull forward. Don't go over. No, he's over.
Let's go!
Yes, sir.
Well, no, he's coming.
He's coming for revenge.
I'll go first. Venmo your ex 69 cents. Okay. Okay.
Give yourself a swirly. I don't know what that means.
Oh my god! No! That's okay.
Bro,
that's
you gotta
putting
put your head in the toilet and
flush it. Flush again.
Dude, I am not doing that.
Are you gonna
Don't
do
act like you didn't do this in
Are
like
you gonna
6
do
months.
what did I do? Just do this for fun?
No, you got bullied. No.
Just stick your head in there, man.
It's in.
It's supposed to be just your hair.
Oh, I got my face.
Your face hurts.
I thought you were supposed to do your face. You're sick, bro. You're sick.
Oh my god, he did it.
Nose. I thought you were supposed to do your hair. Bro, you were like putting your head in. I was like, bro, my face is against the bottom.
Alright, we're gonna end the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe right now. We went through some shit for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Check out our previous one right here. Mopi out.
Peace.